Good morning, students. See, we have completed exercise 3C. Now today we will start our exercise 3D. So we will do some examples related to exercise 3D. See example number 11. It's given on page number 45. See, find the greatest number that will divide 79, 117 and 59, leaving the remainders 7, 9 and 11 respectively. See, solution is given here. As the word greatest is used here, we have to find the highest common factor that divides 79, leaving a remainder of 7, 117, leaving a remainder of 9 and 59, leaving a remainder of 11. First, subtract the respective reminders from the corresponding numbers and then find the HCF. Hence, the numbers which are divisible by the highest common factor are. See, they are saying that as the word greatest is used here, we have to find the highest common factor in that. So, in first, what is given here? What is the remainder of 79? You have to find here. Remainder of 75. So, the 79 it is, 79 is 7. So, get subtracted, then 117. What is the remainder of 117 is? 17 is 9. Remainder of 59 is 11. So, get subtract here. What we will get here? 72. Here you will get 108, here you will get 48. After that, after subtracting the digits, you have to find the highest common factor, means HCF of the remainders. Find the HCF of 72, 108, 48. See, if you can find here in group also, but I am finding it differently. By 2, when you will find 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 18, 9, 2 5s are 10, 1. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 4s are 8, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3. Now see, find the common factors here. What are the common factors? What are the factors of 72? What are the factors of 108? What are the factors of 48? Now see, find the common factors here. 2 is common in 3 of them. Here also 2 is common in 3 of them. Now see, here 3, 3 and 3. Now again no factor is common in this. So 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is the factor, greatest number that will divide the numbers 79, 117 and 59. See, 5 questions are given here related to example number 11. So, first of all we will solve these 5 questions. After that I will explain you example number 12 and 12, 13 and 14, so that you can solve easily from exercise question 6. Okay. Today we will solve up to 5th questions. Exercise 3D. Okay. See what is given here. First question, find the greatest number which divides 34, 60 and 85, leaving remainders of 7, 6 and 4 respectively. Solution number first. Since 7, 4 and 7, 6 and 4 are the reminders of are the reminders of 34, 60 and 85. So get subtract 34 minus 7 is equal to 60 minus 6 is equal to, then 85 minus 4 is equal to. Now see, when we subtract here 34 minus 7, that is 27, 60 minus 6, that is 54, 85 minus 4, that is 81. So when you get the HCF here, first of all find the HCF of 27, 54 and 81. See, by 3 you will divide it. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Again by 2 here you can divide, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 7s are 14. Then by 3 you have to divide here, 3 9s are 27, 3 1. Now here you have to divide by 3, 3 2s are 6, remainder 2 7, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 1. Now see, common factors of 27, 54 and 81. What are the factors of 27? 3 into 3 into 3. Factors of 54, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Factors of 81, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now see, find the common factors here. 3, 3 and 3. So 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 is the greatest number that divides 34, 60 and 80, 34, 60 and 85. Okay. See question number 2. Find the greatest number that divide 129, 161 and 224, leaving a remainder of 5, 6 and 7 respectively. Solution number. Since reminders are 5, 6 and 7 are the reminders of 129, 161 and 224. So we will divide 5 by 129, 6 by 161, 7 by 224. Therefore, 129 minus 5, 161 minus 6, 224 minus 7. Now when you divide it, 124, here 156, sorry 155, then here 7, 1, 2, 217. Now find the HCF. 124, 155 and 217. Okay, when you find the HCF by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Then here it is a prime factor, so you have to divide it by only 31, so 1. Now see, 2, sorry here last number is not an even number, so you have to divide it by directly by 5 because it is not divisible by 3 also. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now it is a prime factor you got here, so you have to divide it by 31. Now here you can divide it by 7 because it is not divisible by 2, 3 also it is not divisible, 5 it will not, so directly you have to divide it by 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Now 31 you got here, so 31 1s are 31. So 124, 155, 217. Factors of 124 is 2 into 2 into 31, 5 into 31, 7 into 31. So only one number is seeing here common, that is 31, not any other number. So therefore 31 is the largest number that divides 129, 161 and 224. 129, 161 and 224. Okay. Now see question number 3. Find the greatest number that will divide 189, 223 and 347 and leave reminders of 9, 3 and 7 respectively. Find the greatest number that divides. Since which are the reminders given here? 9, 3 and 7 are the reminders of 189, 223 and 347. Therefore 189 minus 9, 223 minus 3, 347 minus 7. So here you will get 180, here 220 and here 340. Now see, divided by 2, 2 9s are 18, 0 by 2, 45 will get here, by 3, 3 1s are 3, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15, again 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. Okay, now 2, 110 by 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, sorry, by 5 here will get, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 11, 1. Here by 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 0. Now see, 180, 220 and 340. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. Here 2 into 2 into 5 into 17. Now what is the common factor you got here? 2, again 2, then 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 is the largest number that divides 189, 223 and 347. Okay. Now see question number 4 that you have to do, and question number 5 also you have to do. Okay. From question number 6 we will start in our next lecture. Okay. These 2 questions are your homework. See in question number 4, find the greatest number which will divide 264 and 168 exactly, leaving a remainder of 8 in each case. See here only one remainder is given, and that you have to that you have to subtract by both the numbers, by 264 also and by 168 also. After that you have to take out the HCF. Okay. And similar question is given question number 5th also. That also you have to solve by the same method. Okay. Okay, thank you.